always trying to make our lives more efficient. Ultimately, the goal is to make more money or have more time to ourselves. And this is through education, and this is where the seminars come into it.
Yes, the seminars are an important part of our event. Every year we're looking at new ways of presenting relevant information to our visitors. And this year, in the previous years, we've gone with more of a theme. This year, there are so many issues we wanted to cover. We've got something for everyone at these seminars.
But these are real life issues. Yeah. These are issues that anyone who's watching and viewing, we think we're doing it right, but we can always improve. And Absolutely. We've got entrepreneurs here. Absolutely,
entrepreneurs, industrial experts who are, they're not going to give you all the answers, but they're going to give you the structure to create your own solutions to things, which is, I think, very, very powerful.
Another reason to come to this event.